Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can reset our Windows 11 PC so that if you have any issues, those issues can be resolved and your Windows can be set to its default state. So let's get started. First, press your Windows key and type settings, and you will see this. Click on settings. Now in settings, click on system on this left navigation panel. Scroll down till you see recovery. Now just click on recovery, and here you get a bunch of options. Now reset this PC is one of those options, and here you can click on reset PC and you get two options. That is keep my files and remove everything. So if you keep your files, this will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files like your video files, your music files, your PDFs and so on. But all the settings and apps will be removed. Now if you click on remove everything, it will remove everything including your personal files. Okay, so now you can just click on remove everything and your PC will be reset and it will be brand new. And if you want to reset just the settings and apps, you can click on this keep my files and it will remove all the apps and default settings and it will just keep your files. So this is how you can reset Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.